To perform a first setup on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first of all, you will need to power on your phone, and you can do it by clicking on the power switch right here. Click and hold it until your device boots up. If this doesn't happen, make sure to charge your phone. Maybe it's out of charge for the battery, and you can charge it with USB-C cable right here. Then you can connect your USB-C cable to your PC or a charging brick. Now when we have our device powering on, let's wait for the first setup screen. So here's the first setup. Don't worry about the language, we can change it if we click on this button right here. Then go and select whichever one you prefer. I'm gonna go for the English United Kingdom and then proceed to the next step. You will need to agree to everything that will pop up. Then you can perform easy setup with another device. That means transfer basically everything from your previous phone to this one, and you can use Galaxy or Android device, iPhone or iPad, or set it up manually. And if you go for any of the first two options, then just follow instructions on screen and download the app or click on specific settings on your phone, then you'll be ready to go. But we're gonna go for setup manually to get this device brand new. Next thing is to connect your Wi-Fi network if you have one, so you can pick whichever network you prefer, but I'm gonna skip that to see if we can perform a setup without internet connection. So yeah, network connection is needed, so we're gonna select the network and then enter a password for it. Okay, as you can see, I'm connected, and we instantly move to the next step. You can set up your service provider, and we're gonna restart our device. Okay, we can connect ourselves to mobile network if you like. For me, I'm gonna stick it to off. I don't have any SIM card inserted to that phone yet. So let's just move to the next step. And then we can connect again mobile network. I don't want to do that. Let's set it up later in the settings. Copy apps and data from previous device, don't copy. You can of course go to the next step and then transfer anything from your older phone. Here we can log into our Google account, and I'm also gonna skip that. Of course, you can go with it, it's easy. All you have to do is enter your email address and password. Then we can protect our device with face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password or pattern. I'm gonna skip that. I don't want to have any screen lock on this phone. Then there's the Google services that you can agree with or not. Just accept whatever you want and then move to the next step. You can choose your default search engine for your device. I'm gonna go with the Google. Then we can log into Samsung account. If you want, you can use your email or phone number or sign in with QR code. Or if you don't have a account, you can click on forgot password or don't have account. And then we can add our account later in the settings or create our account right here. But I'm gonna do it later in the settings and then just skip that. Let's skip the legal information from Samsung. Then we can turn on and off Samsung services. Choose our display mode to dark or light. Then pick a recommended apps. If you don't want those apps, just deselect them. It's just a bloatware. You don't need them. But if you want, you can download them. So I'm actually gonna get them because maybe there's something interesting. Sorry. Let's move to the next step. And then we're all set up, and that concludes my video right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.